That's why that is like it is. So
they had a half-assed jig and they threw parts in it and sent the new guy to weld it.
well, this is one he quit and went home.
Yeah.
Okay. Here again. We're going to need a couple of hands here. Let's do. We almost. Well, if we make it the same at the bottom, to cut it at the bottom.
Or we could just.
Then we'll force the top to be the exact same as bottom, which would be a good idea, right?
Or we could follow his fuck up and it'll go along the edge. No.
Well, that's a good idea. What? Because this front's going to be true right here. We can
Manipulate that.
like you said, we can manipulate the other piece that comes up here. It might be true this way, but it ain't true like this. The only way you're going to get that is to level this trailer and then start leveling everything. That's the only way you're going to get perfection out of it. The whole trailer, the whole frame needs to be leveled and then start leveling everything. But like you said,
That'd be close enough.
it's just a market trailer.
That's right.
So let's go with your thought.
Yeah.
Let's go off of this one.
Okay.
And it'll look good. You won't even notice it.
No. We didn't notice this until we pointed it
Well,
out.
the other thing too, Stan, is we squared off this other one using the square. So if we square this one here off,
The fuck up is. Well, it's not our fuck up.
that's three of them.
Yeah.
It ain't going to be none of you that's noticeable by looking at it. Yeah, really. Just take this one here, hold it up here to. Well, is there any way that can get fucking knocked in?
No, because there's this big gusset welded on the back side of it.
Well, that's going to bite. Okay. So what we're going to do is
Yeah, we still might be able to knock it in a little bit though.
okay, we're going to go flush here.
Give me a sledgehammer, I'll get it in there.
But we don't want to bend it. We'd rather straight. You know. But here you go.
We square this here off. This needs to sit right here where this is. Okay.
Why don't we just throw a tack weld on it just to hold it there? And because we could pop it off.
You just twisted it in. And then
a heavy tack right here on this bottom corner, then we can move it. Actually, Mom, do you find me a pair of wire clippers for that?
get it flush with your bottom. Tack it. You know, hold it right where it is, and I'll bet you this right here's almost. Okay, the top needs to come in just a little bit. Hold it. Tack it again, Jason, on the top. Now, we need to knock that one off. This out this way.
Where it came out that way?
It came out this way.
That's fine.
Up here, top, but the top.
Notice why the weld stuck to the nice clean steel and not the dirty?
Yeah.
Just throw that across there. Go out. Yeah, that sucks. That's gonna break that top weld. Actually, I need your die grinder at that hood. Where's the switch at?
Right here.
Go to grinder.
I can't see it. Oh, hold on one second. There you go. Okay. Then pull it out a little bit. Stop. Let it come back in. You can weld it.
Take it off grinder so you could have some sort of.
Okay, Jason, you need to tap it. You know what? Fuck it. It's close enough.
All right.
I agree.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you got a gate. There goes some wire.
That's dirty.
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 You're going to need one 67 and a quarter. $67 and a quarter.
What's this one here laying down here?
This one?